Students, so this is a problem in theory of equations. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then find this one. Let us do the problems one by one. So that is the given equation. So they given alpha, beta, gamma are roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. Then what we have? What is that implies? S1 equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a minus p by 1. S2 equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to q. S3 equal to alpha beta gamma equal to minus r. So this is the relations we have. Now let us solve the first one. What are the first one? Summation 1 by alpha square beta square. How the summation runs? See, the first one is the 1 by alpha square beta square plus. Now in place of alpha next is beta. In place of beta next one is gamma. 1 by beta square gamma square plus 1 by gamma square alpha square. Now take the LCM. Alpha square, beta square, gamma square. Whatever the numerator now, gamma square plus alpha square plus beta square, that equal to. So the numerator is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square by alpha beta gamma whole square. How you get the numerator? A square plus b square plus c square. That is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 times ab plus bc plus c whole by alpha beta gamma whole square. That is the relation. A square plus b square plus c square equal to a plus b plus whole square minus 2 times of ab plus bc plus c. So what is the alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus p whole square minus 2 into q by minus r whole square, that equal to p square minus 2q by r square. That is the answer. That is the answer of first one. Summation 1 by alpha square beta square. So that is the answer. Now let us do the second one. Second one, beta square plus gamma square by beta gamma plus gamma square plus alpha square gamma alpha plus alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Now take the LCM. Alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma. So here this is beta gamma. So multiply with alpha. Alpha times beta square plus gamma square plus this one. Beta times gamma square plus alpha square plus this one. Gamma times alpha square plus beta square. So that is the relation we have. So that equal. Now multiply alpha beta square plus alpha gamma square. Beta gamma square plus beta alpha square plus gamma alpha square plus gamma beta square whole by alpha beta gamma. So that equal to, from these two, alpha beta square, beta alpha square. Now take alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, gamma. So what is this one? Beta plus what are this one? Alpha plus beta gamma gamma. Take beta gamma gamma. Beta gamma gamma from this two. What is the value? Gamma plus beta. Plus take gamma alpha gamma from the remaining. Alpha gamma gamma. Gamma plus alpha whole by alpha beta gamma. So alpha beta into, yeah, what is the alpha plus beta? Here alpha plus beta is minus p minus gamma plus beta gamma into, what is the beta plus gamma? Minus p minus alpha plus gamma alpha into gamma plus alpha. What is the gamma plus alpha? Minus p minus beta whole by alpha beta gamma. So multiply this one. Minus p alpha beta minus alpha beta gamma minus p beta gamma minus alpha beta gamma minus p gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma whole by alpha beta gamma. That is equal to, take minus p gamma alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus 3 alpha beta gamma by alpha beta gamma. That equal to minus p into q minus 3 into minus r by minus r. So minus pq plus 3r by minus r. That equal to pq minus 3r by r. So that is the answer. pq minus 3r by r. That is the answer. So this is the second one. The answer is pq minus 3r by r. Correct. Now let us do the third one. Right. This is the third one. Find the value of beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha, gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta, alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma. What are the beta plus gamma? Minus p minus alpha minus 3 alpha. What is the gamma plus alpha? Minus p minus beta minus 3 beta. What is the alpha plus beta? Minus p minus gamma minus 3 gamma. That equal to minus p minus 4 alpha minus p minus 4 beta minus p minus 4 gamma. Now take minus gamma minus gamma minus gamma minus gamma 3 times. Minus minus minus, that is the minus of p plus 4 alpha p plus 4 beta p plus 4 gamma. That equal, this value is minus of, I can write it directly, pq plus s1 4 alpha plus 4 beta plus 4 gamma plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus p square plus alpha beta 4 alpha into 4 beta 16 plus 16 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into p plus product of roots 4 alpha 4 beta 4 gamma 64 alpha beta gamma. That equal minus of pq plus 4 into, what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus 3 plus 16 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha q plus 64 into minus of, so minus of pq minus 4 pq plus 16 pq minus 64 r. That equal to minus of minus 3 pq plus 16 pq minus 64 r. Multiply with minus 3 pq minus 16 pq plus 64 r. Right. This is the fourth one. Summation alpha cube beta cube. Alpha beta whole cube. What is this meaning? Alpha beta whole cube plus beta gamma whole cube plus gamma alpha whole cube. That equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. We have one relation, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus a. So see this one, alpha beta whole plus beta gamma whole plus gamma alpha whole minus 3 times alpha beta beta gamma into gamma alpha equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square minus ab alpha beta into beta gamma minus beta gamma into gamma alpha minus gamma alpha into alpha beta. So what is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is a cube, and this is the a square plus b square plus c square, that is the a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab again alpha beta into beta gamma into gamma alpha plus gamma alpha into alpha beta minus from these three take alpha beta gamma alpha plus beta plus gamma, that equal q into what is the alpha beta plus gamma beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is the q square minus 2 into again take alpha beta gamma alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma, so that equal q into q square minus 2 into minus r minus p minus r minus r into minus p, that equal q into and this one. Now whatever this one, summation alpha beta whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta gamma whole square beta gamma whole square summation alpha beta whole cube minus 3 into minus r whole square summation alpha beta whole cube minus 3 r square q square minus minus plus minus 2pr minus pr. So this is the summation alpha beta whole cube minus 3r square, that equal q into q square minus 3pr summation alpha beta whole cube minus 3r square. Take this here. Whole cube equal 3r square plus q cube minus 3p cube, that is the answer.